Good morning, students. We were in the first unit of computer science. It is computer network. Till last class, we had the explanation of network hardware, communication channels, and network architecture. Till network architecture, we have completed. Today, we have to go through network topology and protocol, which were the last two topics of this unit. Okay, so let me go to that page. Hope you have understood the previous class, because I didn't got any doubts asking from your class group. So I hope you have understood everything properly. Please ask me the doubts if you are uh, two chances maybe. If you have don't know the concept of the chapter, you will not ask me doubts. And if you have understood everything, whatever I have explained, then also you will not ask me any doubts. So in these two, which is your status, I don't know. If you have not gone through the videos, please go through all the videos again, starting from the first day class. So let me go to today's topic. Today we have to start from network topology. I will shift to explain. I'll shift to my PPT. Yeah. See, first let us know what is the meaning of topology. Network you know already, right? When we connect more than one computer each other for sharing the informations or to communicate each other, that becomes a network when a computer is connected to each other. But what is topology? Topology is nothing but how you will connect. There are different designs made, there are different designs or structures made, how we can connect our computer, in what design we can connect our computer, so that depending on our infrastructure or depending on our requirement, we can use that particular topology designs. It is nothing but design. Each design have its own features and properties. So depend we have to check which design will suit for our network. So then only we have to select the particular topology. Topology is an important thing in terms of network. Okay, so here itself you can see its definition. Topology refers to the layout structure. Layout structure is nothing but how you will arrange your computers. Okay, structure of connected computers and devices on a network. Why it is mentioned and devices means even the printer can be on the network, right? We discussed about all these things in the previous classes. So topology refers to the layout structure of connected computers and devices on a network. Topology is nothing but how you will arrange your devices. It can be computers, it can be printers, scanners, or whatever devices that is on the network. How you will arrange it, how you will create its own structure, that becomes topology. In topology, we have to go through two levels. That no, levels means inside. If we have a topology, we have a network. There are two main categories we have to think of. That is physical level and logical level. Let us see what are these things. Physical is nothing but what all things you can see or you can touch on the network. What all things you can touch when computers are on network? Computers is one of the thing you can touch and see, right? And the cables are nothing but wires. It can be twisted, whatever, fiber optics, any wires or cables that is used to connect to each other, that also you can see and touch, right? So these are all comes under physical level. Physical level are nothing but the computers or cables or connectors which we use on the network, whichever things you can see and touch, that comes under physical level. For example, computers, cables, and connectors. Okay, physical tells where the computers, I'm sorry, there is a spelling mistake here. It is actually physical level. Okay, physical level tells where the computers on a network are located. Here, for example, if you take this design, okay, this is some topology. I'll be explaining you later. In this topology, you can see where this computer is kept, where this computer is kept. You can see its exact position, where it is located, right? In which even if these networks is surrounded around the world in different countries, you can locate the physical computer where it is located, actually where its location. Yeah, that is what physical level says. By checking the physical level, or by going to the physical level, you will come to know the exact location of your computers connected on the network. Okay, that is what physical level is. Let us move to logical level. Logical level is the one which you can't see, but there is something that is happening. Okay, best the thing is, we will tell if the computers are on the network. We are sharing data, we are sending data, we are receiving data through wires, right? All this we learned in previous classes. Can you see these files moving around? Can you see the data moving inside the wires? If it is wired, if it is wired connections, can you see your folders are moving inside, as I show in this picture? Can you see physically like this, folders jumping from one computer to another computer, or it is moving through wires? No, right? But it's happening. Through the wires, the signals are taking away your data. Using electrical signals, the wires passes data and informations whichever you want to transfer from one computer to another computer. That is happening inside, but we can't see or we can't feel it, right? We can only see when we receive something from other computer, right? So that thing whichever you can't see, which is passing the information by exchanging electrical signals through wires or through wireless using Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or something. uh, so any transmission media, using any of the transmission media, data is being transferred from one computer to another computer, but that you can't see. Physically you can't see it, or physically you can't touch it. Can you touch the signals inside the wire? No, you can see only the wires, but inside the wires there are signals passing through that you can't see, right? So that is nothing but logical level. Signals are sent via the transmission medium that connects the computer. So it is simple. Physical level is nothing but whatever you can see and touch. Logical level is nothing but you can't see, but something is happening, right? That is data transfer, passing exchange of electrical signals from one device to another device. So if it is a network, we have to take care of these two things, these two levels. It is very important. Okay. Now let us move to different types of network topologies. As I told you, topology is nothing but the design, whatever you follow, the design how you like to connect your computers together. Okay, so that is nothing but topology. So there are three types of topologies. One is bus topology, second one is star. I'm sorry again, this is not start, it is star. Okay, it is star. uh, Let me change this now. Yeah, there are three types of topologies: bus topology, star topology, and ring topology. Okay, so we'll see one after the other in detail. Yeah, bus topology is like this. You can observe this. All the computers are connected using a single cable. Single cable means not entirely a big wire. There will be a center wire. To that all the wires will come and connect. That becomes nothing but a single wire, right? When you connect separated wires together to a single wire, that becomes a single wire altogether. So there is So that is what the first point